We are living the life.
Living the life.
I'm Jazz.
And I'm Chris.
And we are currently traveling around the Pacific whilst working on board a cruise ship.
That's right, today we have our next port stop. We are in Napier, the Art Deco capital of New Zealand.
Napier is the perfect place to go if you want to enjoy beautiful architecture, fresh farm-to-table food, and of course, some delicious wine. This is some of the best things you can do in Napier if you only have one day. Woo! This place is bursting with culture, beautiful architecture, and lots of stunning flowers. Look at the lily pads. As we're walking through the town square, we can see beautiful flower gardens, stunning architecture, and it happens to be a perfect day. Something gorgeous that Napier has is all of these vintage cars. We just had a delicious lunch, fresh farm-to-table food at a local restaurant. I ordered a margarita, which definitely hit me.
As we wander through the streets of Napier, we are admiring the intricate designs, the pastel colors and the geometric patterns that make up this beautiful Art Deco style in this city.
Napier was rebuilt in the 1930s following a major earthquake. The new buildings reflected the style of the times, stripped classical, Spanish mission, Art Deco, and some incorporated Maori motifs. You can see it in every building.
I heard that Napier has a cute little music shop that I have to go check out with some secondhand instruments. And working at a music shop myself and playing music, I feel like it is my duty to go lay hands on some of those instruments. Look at this, a 30-string stereo output. It's like a harp mixed with a guitar. I've never heard of such a thing. This is a beautiful shop.
It's good.
Oh, too good. So here we start with the quartz, move our way up. And just something that caught my eye there is that Napier built Telecaster shape. Would you mind if I just had a quick little play of that? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I do the same at my music shop. So I think that's really cool. That's beautiful. Really cool. Really cool. There was a guitar in the window that I had never seen before called a symphonic by the local luthier, and that was amazing. 30 strings like a harp and a guitar. What a crazy creation. What an awesome luthier. So here we are at the Napier Marine Parade. It is a vibrant waterfront promenade that is perfect for a casual walk, or if you've got nice weather like this, a nice bike ride.
With its palm-lined boulevards, sandy beaches, and breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, the Napier Marine Parade is the perfect place to come and soak up some sunshine, enjoy a picnic, or just enjoy having a beautiful day here by the ocean. Check out the beautiful black sand beaches. We're walking right down to the water's edge because how could we not? When will we ever be on a black sand beach ever again? If you've enjoyed this travel series, make sure you give us a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe, and check back next week because every single week we are traveling to a new, incredible, and amazing destination and would love to bring you along for the adventure. I can see why they call this the Art Deco capital city of the world. From its pristine beaches to its beautifully preserved architecture to the stunning flower gardens, there's something for everybody here.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Jazz.
And until next time,
Keep on living the life.